So apparently Logan Sargeant has been given 3 races: the Emilia-Romagna Grand Prix this weekend, then the Monaco Grand Prix, and then the Spanish Grand Prix, before his role as a race driver will be re-evaluated, according to an article published on crash.net. And the person to be in line to replace him is Mick Schumacher. We all know that current team principal of Williams is James Wolff, who used to be at Mercedes and closely working with Toto Wolff. Now I can actually see that happening, because I think Mercedes want to get Mick back into Formula 1 as soon as possible. Having said that, Logan Sargeant is American, and we all know that Williams are currently owned by Dorilton Capital, who are American. So I'm not entirely sure whether that would actually happen. But I mean, I personally think that Logan Sargeant should be given at least until the end of the season. On the other hand, I can understand Toto Wolff, who wants to get Mick Schumacher back into Formula 1 as soon as possible. So I'm sort of 50-50 on the whole situation. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. If you do like my content, then I would much appreciate it if you wouldn't mind awfully smashing the subscribe button. If you want to support me in a more personal way, do consider to becoming a channel member by clicking the join button for a small fee, monthly fee. But I put your name in my end credits, and if you want to get yourself some merch of mine, feel free to check out my merchandise store. Alright, cheers for watching, guys. Keep safe, keep it clean in the comments, look after each other, and have a good day wherever you are. Alright, I'll speak to you later. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show